My grandfather's father worked on the river, went out to sea when the tides were right. Sometimes there weren't enough fish to deliver, and sometimes the gunnels would be piled up high. Me and my dad had a boat we call Freedom, and it's getting harder to see our way clear. When the odds were against us, we tried to beat 'em, but we battled through year after year. I throw out my soul to the wild blue yonder, and where it will take me, sometimes I wonder. I can find my way home by the stars in the sky, 'cause I'm a fisherman, yeah, a fisherman, till the day I die, till the day I die. Fourth generation, man of the water. The nets and my lines are the tools of my trade. I'll be here tomorrow, first thing in the morning, coming out of the mist like a small town parade. I throw out my soul to the wild blue yonder, where it'll take me, sometimes I wonder. I can find my way home by the stars in the sky, 'cause I'm a fisherman, yes, a fisherman, till the day I die, till the day I die. About the fishing these days, 'cause my license and my living have been taken away. So I sit on my veranda and look across the bay, and I throw out my soul to the wild blue yonder, and where it'll take me, sometimes I wonder. I can find my way home by the stars in the sky, 'cause I'm a fisherman, yes, a fisherman. I throw out my soul to the wild blue yonder, and where it'll take me, sometimes I wonder. I can find my way home by the stars in the sky, 'cause I'm a fisherman, yes, a fisherman, till the day